Economics and mathematics, economics and statistics students at all levels, welcome for this particular session. We are going to discuss about Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. First of all, you need to know the meaning of correlation. Correlation simply means relationship between two or more variables. So I'll explain it into finer details. Suppose there is a school in UK that did IGCSE, or rather a level exam. Again, another school in the United States of America also did the same exam, but they performed differently. So we need to know the rank, how we can rank the two schools, which one performed maybe better than the other one. So that's what we mean. So for example, let's assume X is for the UK students and Y is for the US students. So assuming so for the X students, these are the marks. I'm just going to write them randomly, and I'm going to use like only five data. So let me write 20, 15. We are assuming that the marks were out of 30. 23, 10, 11. For Y, which is the United States of America, we can maybe give it 26, and here we can give it 15, 23, 12, maybe 6, like that. Okay, so this is Spearman's rank correlation of coefficient. So the first thing you do is to rank the data set from each schools. So I'll start with UK. Normally the highest number is ranked 1. So if, for example, you do an exam and you score the highest mark in class, you become number 1. So we look at number 20 and you ask yourself, where does it fall? Since we have how many data set here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of the 5 data set, what is the rank of 20? It is number 2, because number 3 is the highest, followed by 23 is the highest, followed by 20, followed by 15, then 11, then 10. So you rank them that way. You also rank Y, that's the schools for US, that way. Then from there, you can solve that particular question effectively using the Spearman's rank formula. 1 minus 6 summation of D squared divided by N into N squared minus 1. So I need to explain what N means, what D means, and the rest. So let's start with N. N simply means the number of students, in that case, that sat for that exam. So if there were 6, if I'm not wrong, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 students in each school, one in the UK and one in the US. In each school in the US and another one in the UK. So our N becomes 5. So here will be 5. N squared here will be 5 squared, which is 25 minus 1. So what about this D? D stands for difference. So what you do, you calculate the difference in the rank of each data set. Okay, of each data set. So suppose it is maybe 4, 3, 2, the other one is 5, 3, 1. Now you take 5 minus 4, like that, like that, like that. Then you solve it. But if you want to understand it into finer details, you can feel free to contact me for the assignment support and as well as a tutorial session. So we have got the graphs well set. I can draw here in this particular graph. Let me undo so that you see how we go about it. Okay, so this is a line. I can decide to draw a line here. Perfect. So if I draw this is called a straight line. I've just drawn a straight line.